So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HE classes root. Then we're going to scroll down and expand MSI package. Here it is, you want to expand MSI package. And then you want to expand shell. And now you want to right click on shell, click on new, and then click on key. We're going to call this key as run as and click on enter. So spell it run as the same way how I did with the same lowercase. And now you want to double click on default. You want to change the value data to install space as space. You want to put the and key and then type in administrator and click on OK. So now you want to right click on run as and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this command. Click on enter. Now once you're in the command folder, you want to double click on default. So now you want to type in msiexec space /I space quotation mark %sign 1 quotation mark and click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer and then that's how you do it.